You searched how to buy shares of Magnera Corp, a company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker MAGN and known for its advanced industrial technology. This short guide shows the basic steps. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MAGN to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ result that matches Magnera Corp. Open the Magnera Corp asset page to check basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker MAGN before proceeding. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming the trade. You will see your new position in the portfolio once confirmed, and a link is available in the description for reference.